Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you to how to get age restriction on Facebook. Maybe you post a video or picture, whatever, and Facebook give you restriction. You can't do anything, or Facebook can take some of your video down. This video will help you to avoid Facebook taking your videos or pictures down. How to get age restriction, or how to get away with age restriction. Can you subscribe to my channel? First, you launch your Facebook like this. When you launch your Facebook like this, you then move to top here. You scroll down, you see settings and privacy. Settings and privacy. So you click on it. Under the settings and privacy, you see settings. You click settings. You know something, our motive is to do away with age restriction. Maybe you post something, someone can report you to Facebook, but because of these settings, Facebook cannot pull your video or your pictures down, or cannot block you from their platform. So when you get here, you then type, you click top here, search, you then type age, then search for age. Good. You see age on top there, you see age restrictions. So you click on the age restrictions here. Good. So here you take your time to read everything. So here we have 7 people 17 and over, 18 over, 19, 21. For me, what I will recommend for you is to choose the 21. When you choose the 21, you click on save. With this one, no one can report you to Facebook for Facebook to put or to pull your video down. You still enjoy your content on Facebook without any issue. So with these settings, when you put it on 21 and over, you just click on save. So this is how to avoid age restrictions on Facebook. Can you subscribe to my channel? Bye bye. When you click on save, otherwise it will not save. Bye bye.